Hello guys, my name is Abhishek Moriya. Welcome back in HackerMan. Today I would like to discuss about how to explore a Instagram profile within 2 minutes. Before going ahead, you can subscribe my channel, like the video, share in your friend and suggest your comment in comments box. Let's start to explore a Instagram account profile. Simply you can open your Termex and type a command aptk update and run it. It takes some time. You can type a second command aptk all the packages. You can simply install a package, install python, run it. Is also install. You can install package python 2. You can also install package python 3. Simply you copy the link. The link is given in your description. You copy and run it. Is download a packages. It takes some time. Plus install it successfully, and you can type ls command and cd. Is only done in python 3. You can type python 3 main.py and minus help. Simply you can type a python 3 main.py and select a username. I am run it. He can give in all the information about a username. He can also give the photo of a DP. Thank you for watching a video. Bye bye guys. See you in next video. Thank you for showing your enthusiasm.